So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are not reviewing anything. Rather, I'd suggest you some gaming gadgets which you could look at during the sale season. Now most of the gadgets in this list are already owned by me and I have tested them for several months, so you can be rest assured that even when they are low priced, they are not cheap by any means. So the product number 4 on this list is not particularly a gadget per se, rather it is a gaming mousepad. I already own this stiff extended mousepad. This is a full size mousepad on which you can even rest your keyboard while gaming. Generally, these full size mousepads are available for 300 to 400 rupees, but this one is going for only 190 rupees this sale season. So if you plan to buy a mousepad, do check it out. Now since you bought a gaming mousepad, you might also want a gaming mouse. For that reason I present you and esports GM320. This is an amazing gaming mouse for budget gamers out there. This one has a 1000 Hz polling rate, which can also be adjusted with its driver software. It supports from 200 to 12,800 dpi, which also can be adjusted through its software. Usually this sells for 650 to 700 rupees, but during sale season this is selling for as low as 475 rupees. So if you have been thinking of buying a gaming mouse, it is the best time. On number 2 is a pair of gaming headphones, Redgear Cosmo 7.1 with virtual surround sound. These are hands down one of the best gaming headphones under 2000 rupees. During the sale season, they are selling for as low as 899. Even I myself bought these for 1600 rupees and I still am very happy with how they perform. There is also a review of these headphones on my channel. If you plan to buy it, do check out my review. And finally, on the number 1 spot is MSI G2412 24-inch gaming monitor. Now this monitor usually goes for around 13,000 to 14,000, but in the sale period you can get it for as low as 9,999. Usually monitors in this range come with a VA panel and 144 Hz refresh rate, but this one has a 170 Hz IPS panel which produces true to life color. This is one of the gadgets which I don't own and I don't have personal experience with it, but looking at the specs and the reviews of other customers, you can't go wrong with it. So that was my list on the gaming gadgets that you can buy during this sale season. And on that note, if you think this video was helpful, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.